Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Effin Birds is probably one of the most hilariously offensive and surprisingly insightful ways to express your inner thoughts, offering a unique blend of dark humor and relatable frustrations that resonate with anyone who's ever felt the urge to just flip the bird at the absurdity of life. These aren't your grandma's cutesy figurines, they're bold, unapologetic statements that bring a much-needed dose of irreverent joy and cathartic release to your desk, shelf, or wherever you need a reminder that it's okay to not be okay sometimes. Number 5. Sibley guides, what it's like to be a bird. Ever wondered what goes on in the life of a bird? This guide unlocks the secrets of their daily activities. Experience the incredible sensation of flight from a bird's perspective. Learn how they navigate the skies with ease. Explore the fascinating process of nesting. Understand the dedication and skill involved in creating a safe haven. Delve into their eating habits and discover the diverse ways they find food. Learn what sustains them throughout their lives. Uncover the meaning behind their beautiful melodies. Understand why they sing and what their songs communicate. Gain insight into the why behind their actions. This guide explains the motivations driving their behaviors. What we like. This guide offers a deep dive into the why behind bird actions, from their nests to their songs. If you're a curious soul wanting to understand bird behavior on a scientific level, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those who appreciate detailed, factual information about avian life. What people say. The app is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. The sound quality of the birds is surprisingly realistic. I love the variety of birds included in the app. Number 4. Hookers and blows save Christmas. The holidays are here, but something is missing. Can a controversial solution bring back the Christmas spirit? When all seems lost, unconventional methods are explored. This year, saving Christmas might take a wild turn. Follow the journey of those who dare to defy expectations. They might just be the key to a festive future. Experience a holiday season filled with unexpected twists and turns. It's a story that will redefine Christmas. The fate of Christmas hangs in the balance. Can this daring plan truly save the most wonderful time of the year? What we like. Looking for a laugh this holiday season? This book brings a unique and hilarious perspective to Christmas. If you enjoy quirky humor and a story that breaks the mold, you'll love this unconventional holiday tale. It's ideal for those seeking a light-hearted and surprising read. What people say. The product is well made and durable. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with most decor. It's easy to use and performs its function effectively. Number 3. The Field Guide to Dumb Birds of North America. Are you tired of serious bird guides? Get ready for a hilarious take on avian identification. This book is perfect for anyone who loves birds but appreciates a good laugh. Discover the comical side of the birds around you. This guide offers a fresh and funny perspective on common species. It's a delightful read for bird enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Forget the dry descriptions and technical jargon. This book brings personality and humor to the world of ornithology. You'll never look at a pigeon the same way again. If you enjoy birdwatching and have a playful spirit, this is the guide for you. It's filled with witty observations and amusing insights into bird behavior. A must-have for your collection. Looking for a unique gift for the bird lover in your life? This humorous field guide is sure to be a hit. It's entertaining, informative, and undeniably funny. What we like. This book celebrates the less-than-brilliant moments of our feathered friends with a good dose of humor. If you appreciate satire and a light-hearted take on nature, this is for you. It's perfect for anyone who wants to chuckle at the absurdity of the avian world. What people say. The Effin Birds are designed to be a fun and engaging way to learn about birds. The product features detailed illustrations of various bird species, making it educational and visually appealing. Effin Birds offers a unique approach to bird identification, incorporating interesting facts and trivia about each bird. Number 2. Effin Birds, a field guide to identification. Ever wondered about the birds in your backyard? This guide helps you identify them with ease. Learn about their unique characteristics and habitats. Unlock the secrets to identifying different bird species. Our guide provides clear visuals and descriptions. Become a birding expert in no time. Take this comprehensive field guide with you on your next outdoor adventure. It's designed to be your go-to resource for bird identification. Explore the avian wonders around you. Go beyond just identification and learn about bird behavior. Understand their calls, nesting habits, and migration patterns. Deepen your appreciation for these fascinating creatures. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned birder, this guide is for you. It offers detailed information for all levels of interest. Start your birding journey today. What we like. This guide offers a no-holds-barred, humorous approach to identifying birds, complete with a liberal dose of profanity. If you're an adult bird enthusiast who appreciates a good laugh and doesn't mind strong language, this is your perfect field companion. It's for those who want birding info with an attitude. What people say. The app is very easy to use and navigate. I love the variety of bird calls available. The identification feature is incredibly accurate. Number 1. North American Bird Watching for Beginners. Embark on an exciting journey into the world of bird watching. This guide is perfect for anyone just starting out. Discover the joy of identifying local species. Explore detailed notes on 150 different bird species found in North America. Learn about their unique characteristics and habitats. It's a comprehensive introduction to avian life. Keep track of your sightings with handy field notes. This feature makes it simple to record observations and learn as you go. Enhance your understanding with practical tools. Designed with beginners in mind, this book makes bird watching accessible and enjoyable. You'll gain the confidence to identify birds in your own backyard. Start your new hobby today. Take the first step into a rewarding hobby. This guide provides all the essential information you need to begin your birding adventures. Happy birding! What we like. Ready to start your birdwatching journey? This guide simplifies the process, focusing on essential species and providing practical notes. If you're new to birding and want an easy-to-use resource to begin your adventures, this is the ideal starting point. It's designed for absolute beginners eager to learn. What people say. The Effin Birds are a great addition to any collection, with their unique and humorous designs. These birds are surprisingly detailed and well-made, perfect for display or as a quirky gift. The quality of the materials used in Effin Birds is excellent, ensuring they will last for years to come. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.